How do firms in perfectly competitive markets behave? Well, they're all selling identical products. So we call these firms price takers because they really have no control over the price in the market. Imagine you have hundreds of different farms growing apples, and each farm is selling these apples to the grocery stores, and they're all exactly the same. The market price of apples is, say, $2 a pound. If one of these farms tried to sell their apples to the grocery store for $5 a pound, there's no way the grocery store would buy it. It's exactly the same apples that they can get from someone else for $2 a pound. So these firms have no ability to raise their price above the market price. They simply observe the market price and then take that price as given. So we call them price takers. That's what these graphs are describing here. The individual firm does not set the price. The market sets the price. Of course, you know, supply and demand determine the price in a market, right? So the market sets the price where supply equals demand. And then the firms observe the price. Here's the price of apples, $2 a pound, say. I can sell as many apples as I want at $2 a pound. How many apples should I sell? They're going to produce as long as the price is greater than or equal to their cost of production, their marginal cost. So that stops being true at this point. For all of these units, your price here, that's higher than your marginal cost curve, which in perfect competition is also the supply curve. And you'll notice that our demand curve for the individual firm in a perfectly competitive market is perfectly elastic. So because firms take the market price as given and they have no influence over the price in the market, price is equal to marginal revenue. And remind you, marginal revenue is the revenue from each additional unit. The market sets the price, the firm takes the price as given and produces as long as the price is greater than or equal to marginal cost.